Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Renault Kadjar, and this is the signature navigation DCI. Now this is powered by a 1500cc diesel engine through the 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's a 16 registered vehicle, but I must admit it's probably the nicest 16 plate Kadjar we have had in a very long time. Now it's fully loaded with all the goodies in this one. This is an absolute dream to own and drive. So it's finished in the flame red metallic, and I know you can tell that this paintwork is gorgeous in today's sunshine. We're just under 30 degrees today in Wigan. Why would we dream of going on holiday, I hear you say? But we do, don't we? Because it's only here for 5-7 days a year. But anyway, back to the fact that this Kadjar is in super condition. Now the car is the top of the range, so it's riding on the 19-inch alloy wheels, and they're in the grey and high polished silver. On the dust caps we've got the red dust caps, but the owner of this vehicle has gone to town and had all the sort of dress up. So it's got a set of mud flaps on it. We've got the badges on the car there, which from like the Renault Sport design package, and chrome exterior. Now we've got window vents there as well, so you can keep the windows down and not get the wind inside. All the wheels are in exceptional order. The car comes with a complete and Renault service history from new, and in the last service it's just had the Cambelt and water pump done as well. Designation of the BOSE sound system on the wings there, and then we get the black mirror caps, as I said, the window vents, and then we get the privacy glass in the rear. It's a keyless car, so I've got the keys in my pocket. There's two little buttons on the passenger and the driver's door handle which will allow you to enter the vehicle. The chrome detailing on the rear of the vehicle goes around the fog lamps, and then it's had the nice chrome bumper trim as well, so it doesn't scratch the bumper. We've got the GT badge on the back there, Renault Sport. As I said, he was a very, very nice gentleman who owned the car, and it was his pride and joy. As you can tell, those little additional features just generally shows that the car was loved and he just wanted that slightly individual vehicle. Now underneath the boot floor there, we have the boot floor, so you can have the secure storage, or you can drop that into that particular position there if you go in the bargain booze for the beer and the barbecue in this weather. It doesn't slide around. But 16 reg, power windows, we've got parking sensors front and rear. It really is an exceptional car. But have a look at the orange paintwork there in the sun. Just look at it glisten. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Driver's side is exactly as the passenger, again free from trolley dents, and as I say, all the wheels are in exceptional condition. A real joy to own this car. Whoever gets this car gets themselves an absolutely beautiful, beautiful car. Now this particular edition has the LED Pure Vision, so they're like the signature lights on this particular car. But look at it, everything about it looks fantastic. We've got the Renault badges on the side, like on the Renault Sports, but a lovely, lovely car. Now, as I open the door, we're greeted by half leather seats. We're greeted with the BOSE music system, power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows. We've got Kadjar chrome trim plates, additional extras. All of these particular models get the BOSE sill plants, and then we get the half leather with white stitch and beading as well. Panoramic roof, we have a blind which closes that, and then as we get in the vehicle, we've got a super low mileage, as you can see there, of only 26,599 miles. Now this car is 6 years old, so that's less than 5,000 miles a year. So it's not done 100 mile a week in its life, this car, and it comes complete with total Renault service history, with the Cambelt just being done in the last service some a couple of thousand miles ago. 6-speed manual gearbox, climate control, air conditioning, parking sensors front and rear, sat nav, Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, cruise control, speed limiter, automatic wipers, automatic headlamps. Now I don't smoke, I can tell the last person, and this car's never been smoked in. That's the only thing that I always say. This car would look gorgeous on my drive. Any family buying it, any want a real classy family car, then this is the car for you. Fully loaded, fantastic on fuel, low road tax, fit 5 adults in with ease. I don't think there's anything more I can say other than it's as good as it was the day it left the factory. Bar a couple of stone chips, or there's nothing. I mean, I'm going to town here, but the interior is just immaculate. It is just immaculate. But there is nothing that would detract from buying that car, full stop. You can buy in total confidence and without any disappointment on this vehicle. I guarantee you. What a colour, specification, mileage, everything that was there when it was new is still here today, 6 years later. Wheels are all great. Yeah, that is an absolute cracker. So if you'd like to reserve this, you can do. Give us a call. There's myself, there's Dom in the background there, there's Lee in the showroom. We'll take a £250, fully refundable. So if you get to Wigan and it's not for you, we'll give you your £250 back. All that does is reserves it, takes it offline, and then we can prepare it to the highest standard, so you only have to come to Wigan once. Once you're here in Wigan, we'll treat you to a coffee. You can come in the showroom, look round the car, test drive the car, do everything at your leisure and at our pleasure. Have a look on our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK doing exactly what you're thinking of doing, and that's the click and collect. If you need finance, give us a call. We'll give you the quote over the phone. We'll send you the finance portal where you can sort all that out, and when you arrive we'll do the paperwork. Have a look on Auto Trader at our reviews. We are a 5-star dealership. We are yet again have won the highly rated award with Auto Trader for customer care 2022. We've also won it with Car Gurus as well for 2022. So, as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.